If your face looks like someone yawning, you're a human. If your dog yawns back, you're emotionally connected. If you still want to know why, keep listening. Ever notice yawns spread like wildfire? First, mirror neurons. Brain copies what it sees. This ties yawns to empathy and to social bonding. Second, attention. Thinking about or watching a yawn primes your brain. It repeats automatically. Third, evolution. Group yawns helped early humans sync alertness, keeping the whole crew on watch. Fun twist. Dogs catch yawns from us too. Shows the bond crosses species. Yawns spread because our brains are social. We're wired to mirror, not because it's harmful. Like and subscribe.